Inventory optimization has always been challenging. How much should we hold? How much is too much? How much is too little? We carried out research to understand how companies are performing on inventory optimization in 2021 and how they are preparing for a more resilient future. Over 100 professionals participated in our survey. Most hold director-level and managerial positions in the supply chain. What did we learn? Here are some key takeaways. 34% of companies are still doing inventory optimization, ad hoc, and have no structured approach. Only 7% would consider their approach extremely effective. 36% of companies are using spreadsheets for inventory optimization, and 32% are using an ERP system. Only 22% of respondents use a specialized solution. However, inventory optimization is being increasingly seen as a strategic priority. Almost 25% of respondents are actively investigating tools and techniques to improve in this area. Their top objectives are reducing stockouts, reducing overall inventory levels, and improving their ability to address demand volatility. Curious about our other research findings? How does your inventory optimization process stack up? Download our full report to find out.